The man used his smartphone to send emails. The man used the TV remote control to change the TV channel. The woman used her watch to time herself while she was jogging. The woman used a toothbrush to brush her teeth. The gardener used a lawnmower to mow the lawn. He used a lawnmower to cut the grass. The man used the keyboard on the laptop to type something down. The skier used a chairlift to get up the mountain. The woman used dental floss to clean her teeth. The gardener used a watering can to water the plants. The teenager used a face mask to clean her skin. The painter used a paint roller to paint the wall. The construction worker used a walkie-talkie to talk to other workers on the construction site. The woman used a vacuum cleaner to vacuum the inside of the car. The photographer used a drone to take photographs of the night sky. The woman used a kettle to boil the water. The man used an ATM machine to withdraw money. The two women used a map to find their way around the city while they were cycling. The woman used a sponge to clean the dusty wood. The sales assistant used a scanner to check the stock levels in the supermarket. The man used a magnifying glass to find his home city on the globe. The woman in the kitchen used a plunger to unblock the kitchen sink. The woman used her mobile phone to call someone while she was sitting on the bench. The man used crutches in order to walk. The woman used suntan lotion to protect herself from the sun. The woman used her laptop while she was sitting on a large pile of books. The couple used their mobile phones while they hugged each other. The woman used the camera on her phone to take a photo of the sunflower field. The man used antivirus software to protect his computer. The man used the keyboard on the computer to type something. The senior woman used a walker to help her to walk. The student used her laptop to take notes about what the lecturer was saying in the lecture. The woman used an online dating app to find a new partner. The construction worker used a power drill to drill a hole. The man used a virtual reality device to escape from reality. The old man used his landline phone to call someone. The woman in the wheelchair used a ramp to get into the building. The woman used her laptop to make money on the internet. The man used the GPS application to get directions. The woman used a hair straightener on her hair to straighten her hair. The hacker used his computer to hack into national security. The woman used Morse code to send a message. The man used Zoom to speak to other members of his team. The man used his credit card to pay for the online shopping. The woman used her laptop to attend addiction recovery online meetings. The woman used a calculator to calculate the total. The man used his mobile phone to send a text message. The woman used the camera on her mobile phone to take a picture of her baby. The senior man used his phone while listening to music. The man used his laptop to write a new novel. The woman used a pencil to write notes in his notebook. The man used his credit card and his smartphone to pay the electricity bill. The woman in the pink dress used her phone to call a taxi. The man used his laptop to do an online consultation with his doctor. The woman used Messenger to chat to her friends online. The woman used her iPad to watch a movie on Netflix. The man on his motorbike used his camera to take a selfie. The woman used a pencil to write notes in her notebook. The man used a protective face mask when he was working around people in the office. The man used a fire extinguisher to put out a fire in the oven. The man used a cloth to clean the windscreen of his car. The man used Facebook to keep in touch with his friends. The man used toilet paper to wipe his bottom when he went to the toilet.